Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ranjita Ashogan. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how I created this black smoky eyes. And before watching this tutorial, please subscribe my channel, and without any further delay, let's move on to the video. First, I'm going to prep my face. For that, I'm going to use Plum Green Tea Mattifying Moisturizer. It's especially for oily skin peoples and it's contain glycolic acid. It will help your skin to keep clear. Next, I'm going to prime my face. For that, I'm going to use Maybelline Master Prime Anti-Dullness Primer. It will give a smoother look and even skin tone. Next, I'm gonna to hide my pigmentation. For that, I'm going to use NY Bay Orange corrector, covering my dark circles and dark patches around my mouth and cheekbones. For the foundation, I'm going to use Nykaa Anti-Pollution Matte Foundation in the shade Foxy Chestnut. It is super blendable formula and it's leave your skin super hydrated. As usual, I'm dotting the foundation on the face and blending with Damn Beauty blender. And to highlight my face, for that I'm using Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Golden, and it's give natural flawless coverage, highlighting my chin, under eyes, nose bridge and forehead. And going to blend with same beauty sponge. To set my face, I'm going to use Too Faced Born This Way translucent powder and just dusting it all over my face. For the eye look, I gonna to use Wet n Wild liner and going to apply on my lid, or if you have any gel liner means you can use it, guys. And I just blending it all over my lid. For the eye look, I'm going to use Morphe palette and going with a spooky shade. It is the deepest black shade and going to press it all over my lid. Next, I'm using this No Bean shade and going to blend with black shade on my crease. Next, I'm gonna to apply Punch Me shade to soften the harsh edges. Next, I'm using No Beans shade in my lower lash line. For the waterline, I'm using the same liner from Wet n Wild. Next, I'm gonna to smoke out my liner with black shade. Again, I'm using super light shade to soften my lower lash line. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Total Temptation mascara and it separates the lashes and giving nice volume. For contour my face, I'm going to use my favorite LA Pro contour powder in the shade medium deep, and it gives smooth silky formula. contouring my hollow cheekbones, jawline, forehead and my nose. For blush, I'm using Lakme Absolute Dio Pink Blush. To highlight my face, I gonna to use Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in the shade Molten Rose Gold. It is very pigmented and everybody must have this highlighter, guys. As usual, highlighting my cheekbones, cupid, nose tip, brow bone and also in my inner corner of my eyes. To line my lips, I'm going to use Lip Care lip liner in the shade Bobbi Brown. And to fill my lips, I'm going to use Wet n Wild liquid lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. And it's very pigmented and long lasting. This is the final look I created today for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please like and share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.